Hello, and welcome to English for Beginners. Lesson 14. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What's 10 plus 1? You say. 11. 10 plus 1's 11. What's 10 plus 2? You say. 12. 10 plus 2's 12. What's 10 plus 3? 13. 10 plus 3's 13. What's 10 plus 4? 14. 10 plus 4's 14. What's 10 plus 5? 15. 10 plus 5 is 15. What's 10 plus 6? 16. 10 plus 6 is 16. What's 10 plus 7? 17. 10 plus 7 is 17. What's 10 plus 8? 18. 10 plus 8 is 18. What's 10 plus 9? 19. 10 plus 9 is 19. What's 10 plus 10? 20. 10 plus 10 is 20. The t-shirt's £11. The shorts are £12. The jumper's £13. The trousers are £14. The shirt's £15. The jeans are £16. The skirt's £17. The blouse is £18. The coat's £19. The dress is £20. How much is the shirt? How much is the shirt? You say. £15. The shirt's £15. How much is the t-shirt? How much is the t-shirt? You say. £11. The t-shirt's £11. How much is the skirt? How much is the skirt? You say. £17. The skirt's £17. How much is the dress? You say. £20. The dress is £20. How much is the jumper? £13. The jumper's £13. How much are the jeans? £16. The jeans are £16. How much how much are the shorts? £12. The shorts are £12. How much are the trousers? £14. The trousers are £14. How much is the coat? £19. The coat's £19. How much is the blouse? £18. The blouse is £18. A yellow skirt, an orange t-shirt, green shorts, a blue shirt, a red dress, black jeans, a dark blue coat, a multicolored blouse, brown trousers, a grey jumper. What's blue? What's blue? You say. The shirt. The shirt's blue. What's dark blue? What's dark blue? You say. The coat. The coat's dark blue. What's green? The shorts. The shorts are green. What's brown? The trousers. The trousers are brown. What's black? The jeans. The jeans are black. What's grey? The jumper. The jumper's grey. What's yellow? The skirt. The skirt's yellow. What's red? The dress. The dress is red. What's orange? The t-shirt. The t-shirt's orange. What's multicolored? The blouse. The blouse is multicolored. That's it for today. Thank you for coming and see you next time. Goodbye.